Hi everyone, welcome back. Thank you for joining me today. If you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Boujee and I make home decor videos, something that includes refurbishing or DIYing and probably just thrifting. If you like to watch those type of videos, or if you are a person who does that on everyday basis, you will definitely like the videos that I have posted on my channel. So check out right now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Lastly, don't forget to leave your comment, because you know what? That helps me to create some new content, to get your ideas and improve my content for that. So yes, don't forget to do that, and let's jump into today's video. Yes, this is the video that I'm going to be showing you two-layer textured art. First part you saw that how to make a textured art piece, and I'm going to be using same paste to make today's textured art. I recorded the video at the same time. It's just that I had to split the video in two parts so that you have a better understanding of textured art, and of course you enjoy watching it. So yes, without wasting a minute, let's get started.
As you all know, I made this textured paste in my last video, and I actually recorded this video at the same time. However, I wanted to split this video in two parts, so my audience who just want to watch the texture paste making video, they can have a different video to watch, and someone who is also interested in watching the designs that I make, they can actually watch this video. So yes, this is the same paste that I made in last video. Now to make a design, I wanted my base paste, which is layer 1, on a colored base. I feel that my textured art design will look nicer if it has a color in the background, and it usually works like that with any art, that if you are working with the lighter color, it's good to have a colored background, or a background that has a different color than your actual design. So in my case, I was working with the white paste, so I wanted to have a different color background, and I feel like this, because it's summer out there, I think I should go with green. So I made my first layer in green color. I added 2 shades of green in that, and I got my desired color. And the frame that I'm using in this video is actually, I am upcycling my old project that I made last year. I feel like that it's good to reuse your things when you feel like you are bored of that, rather than going and purchasing another one since you already have one at home. It is just about reusing, saving our resources from the world. After having my paste evenly spread on my frames, I let it dry for about a day, and on the second day I started to make designs. Now for that, on the palette knife, you have to take paste on its back, put it on the outside edge of your flower, and drag it to the center, just the way I'm doing it right now. The best part about this is that even if you make a mistake, you can take off the first layer. Your second layer will still be the same because it's already dry, so you don't have to work much on that. And if you have a paste from the first layer, you can just put it on top of that to cover your mistakes. So that's of course the best part. So I made 13 to 14 small, medium and large flowers, and I was looking more of an organic type of design rather than having the perfect one, because I wanted something in my house that reflects my personality and something that looks more organic, natural for this summer. And once I had all of my flowers made, I let the second layer of my textured art dry for about 1 day, and I am going to be showing you one more design that's actually turned out to be better than this one on my next video, so stay tuned to that.
So I hope you've enjoyed my two-layer textured art. Super easy, isn't it? So if you've enjoyed, don't forget to leave your comment for that, like, comment and subscribe, because that helps me to create new content, and also that motivates me a lot. That gives me a lot of new suggestions, ideas, and of course we have a platform to share cards, right? So don't forget to do that, and I will see you in the next video.